Hey everyone, so this is the what's in my fridge video. You guys I've had quite a few requests for this. I think it's kind of a strange thing, but whatever. So anyway, starting at the bottom, we have milk and rhubarb and eggplant, some leeks, cucumbers, and beer, and ginger ale. Steve and I I obviously don't drink right now, but we don't really drink very much at all anyway, so that's more for when people come over. And lots of fruits and vegetables in here. And a lot of green stuff. Spinach, broccoli, and there's some fruit in there too. Then we have strawberries, sour cream, some kale, cherries. There's some grapes back there, strawberries, blueberries, applesauce, and this is butter and garlic, all of our condiments, which I'm not going to go through one by one, because that would be crazy. And then over here we have yogurt, the Optimal yogurt, my favorite, organic baby dill, eggs, and we have chicken. Chicken here, some kind of seafood, other chicken, a watermelon, dog food, some pickles and things back there, almond milk. This is juice, guava juice, and some more juice here. And that's it for the fridge. And then over here, more fruit. I don't know if you want to see what's in my freezer, but I guess I'll show you. Here is my freezer, which is a total disastrous mess. Yeah. We don't really have a lot of junk in the house. Coffee, ice cream, I think is like basically empty. And a lot of meals that I've pre-made for when the baby's born. What's this? Popsicle